Have you ever wondered about running a company here in Sweden and what to do about the taxes and accounting and all that kind of things? Well, wonder no more. Follow me here on YouTube or follow me into my company and we can see what more I can offer you. Here you can find online courses and you can also schedule a private meeting with me where we can discuss your questions, your problems, the things that you have been thinking about. And I can also offer you what I call a health check, and that is where I check your bookkeeping and see that it's up to date. And now I will show you on my website where you can find this information and also how you schedule a meeting with me. So now we're at my webpage www.havefjall.se, and here you can find more information about my counseling service or advisory. I'm not sure which English words to use here because sometimes it's something in between counseling and advisory. And you can also learn more about how I can teach you more about doing your bookkeeping and taxes and when you run your company here in Sweden. And here you can also find the information about the health check that I was talking about, and also find all my online courses. And if you click here, you can then filter all this on just to see my English online courses or my English seminars or English guides or templates, depending on what you're interested in. If you decide that you want to learn even more, then you schedule a meeting with me and then you click here on book a meeting. And if you want to, you can purchase like a coaching program where you buy 4 sessions for a little bit lower price, and then when you have purchased that, you will have your own link to your another like a specific calendar for you, and there will be a little bit more time available for you to schedule than there is in the main calendar. But if you prefer to book just one meeting at a time, then you go here and do that in the main calendar. And here you will also see the next available time for you to schedule. If you wanted to have an earlier spot, then I'm sorry, it's already fully booked, but you can go back and see maybe tomorrow there will be an opening because someone has cancelled or rescheduled their meeting, and then their time will be open up for you to schedule. When you have decided what time and day you want to have your meeting, you just click there, add your name and email address and schedule that time. And then you will have a confirmation email with the link to the Zoom room where we will meet. And for this meeting to be as efficient and as good as possible for you, it's also good if you make some preparations, like writing down what type of information you're interested in, what type of questions you have, and send to me in advance. And then I can prepare better for our meeting and you will also be better prepared. So I hope to see you soon in one of those meetings, or to help you more with running your company in one of my online courses or here on the YouTube channel. So good luck with your company and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.